Hey, what's up guys? We update all of you doing well. So today in this video we will talk about some of the new updates that we got on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Further, we will also discuss about the One UI 7 update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So starting off with the first update, for that you will have to go into your settings. From here you have to swipe down and tap on About Phone. After tapping on About Phone, you will have to tap on Software Information, and after tapping on Software Information, you will have to tap on Google Play System Update. So from here, you might get to see a new update available, or the update might be already downloaded. You will have to simply install it by restarting your device. The installation process is simple. You just have to tap on Restart Now and the installation process will begin. So this is a Google Play stability update that was available from Google that you guys can check out, and now the Google Play system update is on the latest version. You can again check for the new updates from here. Now let's talk about the next update that is available. For that you will have to go into your Galaxy Store, and after opening the Galaxy Store you will have to tap on this menu option over here. From here tap on updates and you will get to see that there are multiple new app updates available. First of all, we have a Samsung Cloud update, then we have Samsung Health Monitor and Good Lock update. All of these updates are available to fix the bugs and issues that were there before. So you can update them all by simply tapping on Update All or tapping the icon in front of the apps. Now let's talk about the One UI 7 update. So from the Samsung newsroom, it is finally confirmed that the One UI 7 update will be available in the month of April, and on 7th April the One UI 7 will be rolling out. So first of all, the One UI 7 update will be released for the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the Z Fold and Flip 6 series. And after that, gradually it will be released for the older Galaxy devices. So finally, after a lot of wait and a lot of beta versions, we have the stable update, and now we can enjoy the stable One UI 7 along with the Android 15 update on our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Hopefully there will be no more delays, and that's a wrap for today's video. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.